Here's a preview of Mag's marketing calendar that I designed for the month of November 2021. So the marketing calendar is a living document that maps out all the marketing activities across an organisation. So the purpose of it is to keep stakeholders organised and accountable to their marketing responsibilities in the future, while documenting the details and timing of what has been accomplished in the past. The marketing calendar also enables members of a marketing team to view scheduled marketing activities at a glance and ensure they are meeting the smaller milestones required throughout the year. So for the month of November, I had only sent Mags the marketing calendar on the 5th of November, so then it was non-applicable for the days during that week. So then I had content for the 7th of November. So just as you can see on the left hand side, upload reels, designate Sundays to make sure keeping up with appointments, so scheduled appointments, so as in writing into your diary and checking what you have to do for the week ahead. I created the marketing calendar on Canva. It's probably the simplest to use and the easiest to follow. And I also got a lot of information off www.forbes.com. So they have a purpose for a marketing calendar, and this is the guide that I nearly followed just to keep everything in place. So then just going through the marketing calendar, so Monday the 8th of November, so to post on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram using Creator Studio or Hootsuite at 5 p.m. So Creator Studio and Hootsuite are scheduling tools that you can do in your own time and then set a time where you'd like them to upload. So I have 5 p.m. on a Monday because that's the most popular time on a Monday on social media platforms. Then Tuesday the 9th of November to post on Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram at 12 p.m. So 12 p.m. is the best time on a Tuesday. So whether it's lunchtime or days off, this is the most popular time. Then for Wednesday the 10th, work on website, layout needs work, collection page needs work. So referring back to the video of implementing the basic HTML code, this is what I told Mags. I know that it's only in small writing here, but this is how I helped her, and she asked me about each of the days and how we would run through them. So then Thursday, post on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram 9 a.m. so using your Hootsuite tool or your Creator Studio scheduling tool. Friday, color guide branding, schedule posts for social media platforms. So color guide and branding, that's her website was a little unorganized with the colors, so just to keep all the colors in the same contrast and for it to look clean and tidy. So then Saturday the 13th, tool suggestion documents, create cleaner content in about section of the website. So that's what we did to clean it up. We implemented a little less text and focusing more on the quality of it. So then Sunday, so designate Sundays for making sure up to date with scheduled appointments. So that's what all the Sundays are really for, and maybe she can upload her reels then. So then the rest of the days are similar to that, and I designed this marketing calendar by doing research on different types of marketing agencies and marketing firms and how they were able to put their marketing calendars into place and what worked best for them. So in the notes section at the bottom, I just put in some notes as to how this could help Mags. So there's a lot of work to be implemented on the website, which we did. The colour scheme on the website isn't consistent, so there was a lot of different colours thrown in. So it was a little distracting and not as eye-pleasing as a lot of other simplistic websites can look. And that is essential for a clean looking website. Professional images and clear content is also needed for the website, and it needs more structure. So Mags has now changed all the imagery on her website and got professional looking pictures, so they're not pixelated either. So then on social media platforms, business and personal accounts should be kept separate. So this was only a suggestion, but Mags told us that a lot of her followers are there because she's a full-time working mum. She has a lot of responsibilities and they admire her for that. So this was something that we could not change, and this is why a lot of people still follow her. So, and then approaching Christmas in the coming weeks, we're taking into consideration when posting, so just different kind of Christmassy reels and competitions and different things like that. So as displayed on the calendar, coming up to the last few days of November, there's slots for scheduled Christmas posts. So as you can see on the likes of the 27th, there's just different times for the Christmas post and the likes of the 25th. And then also for the Friday, the 26th of November, I just have optimize page speed. Page speed is slow due to website, platform and Squarespace. So we ran it through a tool called WooRank, and then we were able to make some changes in the website, and this made the page speed faster.